I took this steak out from last night. I have so much of it left because I just can't eat that much steak. And apparently neither can anyone else. So I took it out and tonight I'm gonna make something special. I love Houston's. I'm pretty sure many of you have been there, have several locations, and one of my favorite dishes there is the Thai steak noodle salad. I'm gonna use the rest of this steak and try to replicate one of my favorite dishes. Let's see how it goes. I have so much prep work to do, so either gonna hang in there or tune in later because I don't know if I'm gonna have London help me. Where is she? Hi! Bear with me today. I have a lot of ingredients. So you saw me just peeling some ginger root. I cubed up all of the steak. Doesn't it look pretty? And we're leaving it cold, okay? Because this is a salad. I love the texture that it is right now. So I'm just gonna cut up some ginger. And I have my ginger here. I guess this looks to be about a tablespoon. I'm just gonna add that to my cold steak. I have 2 cloves of garlic. Just gonna get these out. Take the peeling off. Next up on my list, cherry tomatoes. I love tomatoes. They just have this sweet, acidic taste. I think because also I'm a fan of Italian food. You know, I can rarely cook without some kind of tomato. So I'm gonna have these. Uh-oh, now Bougie has one. Okay, so I have my tomatoes and I have my garlic and my ginger here sitting in my steak cubes. I'm gonna begin working on my marinade for this salad. So I've halved a lime. I may add the other one. I don't know. Sesame oil. Just gonna eyeball it, you know, until it looks a little shiny and emulsified in the sesame oil. Okay, it's Thai. Okay, if you hear the bouncing, that's my son. He likes to play basketball in the living room. I love it. Practice makes perfect. Olive oil, sesame oil, and if London was down here, she would say this stinks. Fish sauce. Oh yeah. Oh. And a little bit of sugar. It stings. Okay. Just love it. Okay, now I'm gonna add about 1/4 of a cup or so of soy sauce. Okay. And we're gonna let our steak marinate in this. So here's the mango. Let's see how Instacart did. Yeah, I was lazy today and I did not go to the store. I was working and doing what I do. So mangoes are just, they have such a huge seed. You know, I think I'm gonna cut these big and square or like, you know, blocks just like the steak because that's how they do it at Houston. I have my mangoes all chopped up nice and pretty. I'm really picky about the cuts, okay? That one has a root. You know, putting a salad together is so therapeutic because you're adding color, you're adding nutrients, you're adding texture. And here we have some green scallions, some fresh arugula, some fresh basil off the root, and some mint. Next up, we have some cilantro. I use this a lot. Look how my salad bowl is coming along. All of the colors are in here so far. So beautiful. I'm gonna take some basil. I like a lot of fresh herbs, so don't laugh at me if we end up with this whole bushel, but so I'm gonna lay these in here, but make sure I tear them in here. Okay, oh, you can smell the basil right away.
Let me smell.
Shoot. Still trucking along. I told you it was a lot of ingredients. I haven't even turned on the stove. This is a salad. We have our shredded carrots. So we've got some Napa cabbage. I am always looking for an excuse to use cabbage. I don't care. Okay, so now we're gonna get to building our dressing. I have some roasted red chili paste, and I'm gonna put my whisk to work.
Whoa, that's a lot.
And use the rest of our lime. I want to get a lot of it in there.
I do believe that this sauce is stinky, therefore I will smell it.
It's fish sauce. Every time I made lob, Thai lob, you guys would come in the kitchen and tell me it stinks. Putting together this dressing. Gonna add a little bit of red wine vinegar, just a tiny bit. Okay. So that it's not too spicy.
Oh.
Then I'm gonna add some sugar.
About 2 tablespoons.
Well, we have a big salad, so just a little bit.
2.5 tablespoons.
And we've got
Peanut oil.
peanut oil. Sure do.
You could just use regular oil if you're allergic to peanuts.
So we want about equal parts of vinegar and lime. Just a little bit. Peanut oil.
What's the point of using this spoon? You completely violated its purpose.
I don't know. Some sesame oil. Next time we'll just, it's almost gone though.
Leave the honey upside down.
Yes, ma'am.
That's what you said in the last one.
I did.
That video.
I did. A little bit of salt. And then, look at a screenshot of this dressing. It looks so rich and delicious. How do you think it tastes, Pooh?
I think that tastes good.
Really good, right?
Yeah.
Believe it or not, 30 years of cooking and onions still make me cry. I am so sad. Like, my eyeball's about to fall out. So here is the mint. We're tearing up a lot of mint. I love mint. Do you guys ever try a cucumber mint lemonade? So good.
That's like so refreshing. And
Just wanted to show you so far what our salad bowl buildup is starting to look like. It looks beautiful to me. I can't wait to try this. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick screenshot of the marinade. And just let the steak sit. And finally made it over here to our stove, and I'm stir frying our yakisoba noodles. I'm going to just, you know. Okay guys, so I have my salad here, and I'm just going to pour this dressing on top. Okay, ooh, baby, baby. Oh yes, honey. I can't wait. I can't wait. This is gonna be good. This is the longest, most time-consuming salad I've ever prepared in my life. I think 2 hours. But it's gonna be worth the wait. And I made plenty, so leftovers are gonna make me so happy tomorrow when I wake up and I don't have to cook. And I could just come downstairs to Houston and have me a nice, salad. Oh yeah, so I'm just gonna toss this really quick. The noodles. Oh, y'all should see this. Here is the final product. A Thai steak noodle salad inspired by Houston's. Enjoy.